morning students. Let's continue chapter 4. Question number 5. Prove the above by using PMI. Okay, PMI means Principle of Mathematical Induction. So let's start solution. First of all, let the given statement is Pn. Okay, so write here Pn. It's 1 into 3 into 2 into 3 square plus 3 into 3 cube, and here it is n into 3n is equal to 2n minus 1 3 raised n plus 1 plus 3, okay, by 4. And now step 1, find P1. Okay, here you see that P1 means when n is equal to 1. Okay, put n is equal to 1 here. P1 is from the LHS it is 1 into 3. Okay, and from RHS here substitute 1 in place of n. Okay, so you will get here it's 2 minus 1 3 raised 1 plus 1 plus 3 by 4. Okay, so it is 3 and here it is also 3. So you can write that P1 is true. Okay, and now second step, assume that Pk is true for some natural number. Okay, k. So here it is 1 into 3 Pk plus 2 into 3 square plus here 3 into 3 cube plus here it is k into 3 raised k, okay, is equal to 2k minus 1 3 raised k plus 1, okay, plus 3 by 4. Let it is the equation first. Now move for the third step. Okay, the third step is we want to prove that Pk plus 1 is true. Okay, so write Pk plus 1. It is 1 into 3 plus 2 into 3 square, here 3 into 3 cube, okay, and here it is k into 3 raised k, and next k plus 1 into 3 raised k plus 1, okay, and is equal to here it is 2 k plus 1 minus 1, okay, and it is 3 raised k plus 2 plus 3 by 4. Okay, we have written k plus 1 in place of k. Now we have to prove that it is true. Okay, so taking LHS of Pk plus 1, okay, it is 1 into 3 2 into 3 square, here 3 into 3 cube plus k into 3 raised k plus k plus 1 3 raised k plus 1. Okay, and now use the equation 1. Okay, so for 1 into 3 plus 2 into 3 square 3 into 3 cube and plus k into 3k, it is equal to 2k minus 1 3 raised k plus 1 plus 3 by 4. Okay, so here I am using the equation first and write here 2k minus 1 3 raised k plus 1 plus 3 by 4, and write the next term. It is k plus 1 3 raised k plus 1. Okay, and here you can write using equation first. Okay, and now in the next step take 3k plus 1 common in this term and from this term. Okay, so here it is 3 raised k plus 1 is common. From here it is 2k minus 1. Okay. And from here 4 is the LCM. So plus 4k plus 4. And here it is 3 by 4. Next step, you will get 3 raised k plus 1, and here it is 2k plus here it is 4k. So it is 6k. Okay. And here it is 4 minus 1. So you will get 3. Now here 3 by 4. And now 3 take common from this step, and you will get 3 raised k plus 2. Okay. And it is 2k plus 1 plus 3 by 4. Here it is RHS. So when you will solve, you will get 2k plus 2 minus 1. Okay, so it is 2k plus 1. Here it is 2k plus 1. 3 raised k plus 2. It is 3 raised k plus 2 plus 3 by 4. Okay, so it is RHS. You can write P k plus 1 is true. Okay, when pk is true. Okay, hence by PMI Pn is true for all n belongs to n natural number. Now student, I am taking the question number 9. Okay, it is also we have to prove by using the PMI. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 2 cube, and here it is plus 1 by 2 raised n is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 raised n. Okay, so same method we have to apply here. First of all, the given statement, let it is Pn. Okay, so write here 1 by 2, 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 2 cube, and here it is 1 by 2 raised n is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 raised n. Okay, so first of all we have to prove that P1, okay, is true. So first of all find P1. For this put n is equal to 1 in the given statement. So when you are finding the P1, here write the 1 by 2 first term only. Okay, from RHS, and from the LHS it is 1 minus 1 by 2 raised n. Okay, so here it is 1 minus 1 by 2 raised 1. Okay, it is 1 by 2, and here it is also 1 by 2. So we can write here P1 is true. Okay, now assume that Pk is true. Okay, so here write Pk. It is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square, here 1 by 2 cube. Okay, and it is here 1 by 2 raised k, and it is 1 minus 1 by 2 raised k. Let it is equation first. Okay, right, it is equation first. And now we want to prove that Pk plus 1 is true. Okay, so write Pk plus 1, and it is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 2 cube, and here it is 1 by 2 raised k. Okay, and in the next term it is 2 raised k plus 1. Okay, and on the right hand side it is 1 minus 1 by 2 raised k plus 1. We have to prove that it is true. Now taking LHS, okay, of Pk plus 1. So it is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square, it is 1 by 2 cube, and here it is 1 by 2 raised k plus 1 by 2 raised k plus 1. Now use the equation 1. the value of this whole term, okay, 1 by up to 1 by 2 raised k, it is 1 minus 1 by 2 raised k, okay. And now write the next term, it is 1 by 2 raised k plus 1, and now calculate and solve it. Here you see that it is 1 minus 1 by 2 raised k, and here it is 2 raised k plus 1. So 1 minus 1 by 2 raised k we can take common from this two terms, okay. And here it would be 1 and it would be minus, since here it is negative sign, and it is 1 by 2, okay. So you will get 1 minus 1 by 2 raised k, and from here it is also 1 by 2. So in the next step you will get 1 minus 1 by 2 raised k plus 1. Now see, it is the RHS of pk plus 1, okay. So at last you have to write that pk plus 1 is true, okay. And now by using PMI, okay, Pn is true. You have to write, student, all the steps, then only you will get the full marks. Now I am going to solve question number 12, okay, by the same method. So first of all, let the given statement is Pn, okay. So here write Pn is A plus AR square, and here it is ARn minus 1 is equal to R raised n minus 1, and here R minus 1, okay. And now first let P1, okay, P1. So for this we have to put n is equal to 1, okay. And from the given statement, here first term is A, okay, and on the right hand side write n is equal to 1. We will get A R raised 1 minus 1, and here it is R minus 1. So from here we will get A, okay. So you see that LHS is equal to RHS, okay. Therefore we can write P1 is true, okay. And now assume that Pk is true, okay. So here write Pk is A plus AR square plus, here it is AR k minus 1 is equal to R raised k minus 1, and here it is R minus 1, and write it is equation 1, okay. And now we want to prove that Pk plus 1 is true, okay. So first of all, students, write Pk plus 1, it is A plus AR, here AR square, and here it is AR k minus 1, and now write the next term, okay, A and R. Here you have to write k plus 1, it is minus 1 also, so we will get A k only, okay. And here on the right hand side it is A R raised k plus 1 minus 1, and here R minus 1, okay. And now take the LHS of P k plus 1, okay. It is AR. I am writing all the steps, student, so that you can learn. K minus 1, and here A R raised k, okay. And now substitute the value of A plus AR square and plus AR k minus 1 from equation first, okay. And it is equal to A r raised k minus 1 and here r minus 1. Okay, and now write the next term. Okay, and here you can write using equation first. Okay, and now solve only. Take the LCM. Rk minus 1 here plus Ark, it is r minus 1, and here r minus 1. Now if you multiply it by a, it is Ark minus a plus here Ark plus 1 minus Ark. Okay, and here it is r minus 1. Now see, from here Ark and minus Ark will cancel. Okay, and we will get from these two terms a is common. Here it is a raised k plus 1 minus 1, and here it is r minus 1. So C, it is the RHS of p k plus 1. So we can write here p k plus 1 is true. Okay, and at last we have to write that Pn is true. Okay, by PMI. Okay, and write that P1 true, Pk is true, Pk plus 1 is true, hence Pn is true. Okay, question number 16. Okay, we have to prove this statement by using the PMI. Okay, so same method apply here, student. First of all, let the given statement is Pn. Okay, so write Pn 1 into here 4, 1 by 4 into 7, here it is 1 by 7 into 10, and here it is 1 by 3n minus 2, and here 3n plus 1. Okay, is equal to n by 3n plus 1. It is the given statement. We have write only Pn. Now we have to find P1. Okay, for this put n is equal to 1. So here it is 1 by 1 into 4, and on RHS it is 1 by 3 into 1 plus 1. Okay, so here it is 1 by 4, and it is here also 1 by 4. You see that LHS is equal to RHS by putting n is equal to 1. Okay, so we can write here that P1 is true. Now in the next step, let Pk is true. So we have to write k in place of n in the given statement. So Pk is 1 by 1 into 4. Here it is 1 by 4 into 7, 1 by 7 into 10, and here it is 1 by 3k minus 2, and it is 3k plus 1. Okay, and on the right hand side it is k by 3k plus 1. Write equation 1. Okay, and now we have to prove, or to write, we want to prove that Pk plus 1 is true. Okay, so write here Pk plus 1, it is 1 by 1 into 4 plus 1 by 4 into 7, 1 by 7 into 10, and plus here 1 by 3k minus 2, it is 3k plus 1. First you have to write the kth term. Okay, and then k plus 1th term. Okay, so for this here write k plus 1 in place of k. You will get, student, here 3k plus 3 minus 2, so it is 3k plus 1 only, and here it is 3k plus 3 plus 1, so you will get 3k plus 4. Okay, and on right hand side it is k plus 1 by 3k plus 4. Okay, and now taking left hand side of pk plus 1. Okay, so it is 1 by 1 into 4, 1 by 4 into 7, 1 by 7 into 10, and here it is 1 by 3k minus 2 into 3k plus 1 plus here it is 1 by 3k plus 1 and it is 3k plus 4. Okay, and now using the equation 1 substitute the value of these term. Okay, the term up to k, it is equal to k by 3k plus 1, and now write the next term. It is 1 by 3k plus 1 and here it is 3k plus 4. Okay, now take LCM and solve it. Okay, you will get 3k plus 1 and it is 3k plus 4. Okay, and here k into 3k plus 4 and it's 1 only. Now it's 3k square plus 4k plus 1 and here it is 3k plus 1 and 3k plus 4, and now factorize. Okay, apply the middle term split method. Okay, so you will get it is 3k plus 1, okay, into k plus 1. It is 3k plus 1 and here 3k plus 4. Okay, now see 3k plus 1, 3k plus 1 will cancel and we will get k plus 1 by 3k plus 4. Okay, it is the RHS of pk plus 1. So we can say that pk plus 1 is true. Okay, and now write the last step. Okay, pk plus 1 is true when pk is true. Okay, so Pn is true by method of PMI. Okay, in the next video I will start the new method of this exercise.